Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of settling payments on invoices. Once your invoice is ready, you can view all the payments made on this particular invoice and record a new payment from the Payment tab. You have the option to record a normal payment or pay using a trust account. For this video, we will add a normal payment. You have to indicate the payment date, the payment method, whether it's through a bank transfer, cash account, credit card, and so on. Choose the deposit to account and the payment amount. Moreover, you can add your comment or attach any related document if needed. Once the payment has been added, you can review various details such as the total invoice amount, paid amount, balance, and more using the interactive widgets on the same page. At each payment record, you have the option to perform several actions, including viewing, editing, exporting the payment receipt to Word, and printing it for sharing with your clients. Payments will subsequently impact the status of the invoice. For instance, when partial payments are made, the invoice status will transition to partially paid. Once all payments are completed, the invoice status will be updated to paid. For more information on Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.